Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Gav aka BEYTEK, and today we're going to Crail Raceway Test and Tune. It's not a big event, it's just a drag racing and drift event. No competitions as such, but we've got the RX7 on the trailer. We're going to take it there, we're going to turn up the boost and we're going to see how it handles, and we're going to take the RX7 down to test trip, dial in some bits and bobs and see if we can creep into a 9-second pass. The goal today is to get a 9-second pass, whether it be 9.999 doesn't matter. The goal is to get a 9-second pass. So, that being said, we'll get ourselves to Crail, we'll get ourselves teched up, teched in, bought our tickets and stuff for racing the car. Before we race, we also need to jack up the car and remove the front chains as well from the front suspension. I need to raise up the back as well, but I don't know if I have the tools for it. I just didn't have enough time yesterday. But I'll get to it at the track when I'm changing the tyres from the street tyres onto the slicks.
Okay, bye.
Got no here, man, after that Turkish barber. Right guys, welcome back. We're back in the car again. Got a dash in it now, ish. I've not managed to mount my tablet, but I'm doing the old school way. I just horse this thing down there and I'll just point straight and hold on. We've taken the chains off the front now, stiffened the front suspension up to try and stop it separating. Still separates, the front end still comes up, still does wheelies and shit, and I don't like it. It's not a nice feeling. And the wheels are coming up as well. It's going on the edge of the tyre and it's very twitchy and it keeps diving left to right. So having the front end come up is not the way to do it. It's not viable. So for now I'm going to test it, do a first quarter mile with it unchained. I might look at putting the chains on later on. Just like I say, it's just there's so much travel, the front end comes up so much, it puts too much toe in the car and it becomes very twitchy, and I don't want to be having to do that at 160 mph. So for boost, the test track there commanded 2 bar of boost. I got 2 bar of boost, it lit up all 4 wheels, so I'm going to have to tame it down a bit. Well, I say that, I've still got 2 bar of boost in it. I'll just need to kind of keep it pointing straight, because when things start twitching, the back end starts coming out and you correct it with the front wheels in the air, you're going in the field. So it takes a lot of balls to drive it like this. It's not a nice feeling. So what I'll do is go down this quarter mile, make sure it works fine, and then we're going to go over some videos and stuff that people are going to take to see what the suspension's doing. Like I say, test track, front end raised, and it went out slowly. I'm pulling 15 degrees on the launch for the first 4 seconds, just to kind of like let it roll out, and it worked up the test track. But the Crail Raceway track is a bit slippier. It's not the same traction, it's way worse. So we'll just have to test it and we'll see how we get on.
Fucking hell, man.
Did you? Yeah. I had to click on 4-wheel drive like a quarter of the way doing, so it's probably late 10s or something like that. So
10.5 at 143,
yeah.
and it lit up the tyres for about 200 feet.
Yeah, that's why I never had it in 4-wheel drive.
I told you.
Hell, man.
Are you going back into the queue?
Yeah, fuck it.
Right, okay.
boost just falls straight off, man.
Aye, 10-1 at 130.
Yeah, 130. See, I was off the brakes and everything, and I just gave it up.
It went left.
Yeah, oh yeah, it's fucking horrendous, man. I'll park up and need to have a look at this data log
Aye.
and stuff, because it's not enough boost. Right lads, just a quick one. This one here is of the passes at Crail yesterday. This is one of them. As you can see here, my wheel speed, my launch was pretty ideal till boost started coming in. When boost comes in, everything erupts. So I launch here, it rolls out. As soon as boost comes in, it just lights all four wheels. I'm commanding here. My target boost, as you see, was supposed to be a nice smooth ramp, but it wasn't actually making the boost. Hence me thinking there's a boost leak here. The target was 2.2 bar, which is 320 kPa. As you can see, the target's here. The boost is close to it, but then the boost starts dropping off, and the boost ends up like at the end at 1.2 bar of boost. So yeah, like I say, it drops right off, and as you can see, my boost controller starts adding duty, goes right the way up to like 90% to try and make the boost, and it couldn't make it. So this is why I'm thinking there must be a boost leak.
I thought a 9.7. Yeah.
So what'd you run?
Probably 10.2 or something.
9.7 at 147.
Fucking in the nines, baby! Holy shit, man! Fucking easy, eh? All I did is keep my foot doing this time, eh?
What's that, man?
Woo! Oh, I'm gonna get myself packed up now. I'm ready to look at data now.
You was
I seen him when I was a little bit.
9.7 you ran.
Aye.
147. With that engine?
Yeah. Aye. I said that, I was like, this is going to be the time I want to bang on for him.
That's big boy boost.
Right lads, we're back on the trailer. As you've seen, drove back on the trailer. Car done great. Over pressurisation of the oil system's gone. There's no oil pushing out of places it shouldn't be, and it's not filling the catch can, so that's good, that's a fix. The exhaust gas back pressure issue is now fixed. We've got great exhaust gas back pressure now. However, we're still having a big boost issue where it makes the target boost at 2.2 bar, which we're doing today, for the first maybe 3 seconds or so, and then it falls on its face, and at the top end of the track you're at 1.2 bar, which is pretty much wastegate pressure. So either the wastegates are sticking open initially and then just bleeding all the boost off, or the turbo might be fucked, or it might have a big boost leak. So I'm going to have to pull the smoke tester, do a smoke test on it, pull the turbo apart, have a wee look at that, go from there. Notice that the Pulsar turbo's fins have started chipping off as well, so there must have been some shite in it at some point. So I'll have a look at that. I've still got the bigger turbo to stick on it, but I want to try and sort the boost issue first. I want to be able to hold boost right the way the length of the track, and then that would be good to get some times. But I mean again, like you're saying, same boost today. I think it was 2.2 bar for 4 seconds and it dropped to 1.2. We've done 297s back to back, so the consistency's there. The slicks are fucking new as well. I don't got any slicks anymore, so I'm after running street tires next weekend. But yeah, the car's doing what's supposed to be doing, you know what I mean? Yeah. It's only trapping 147. I wonder what it would trap if we held that boost out long, because I'm not joking. It's terrifyingly fast. Like, it's terrifyingly fast for that first 3-4 seconds, and it falls flat in its face. But yeah, holding that sort of boost at the end of the line is going to be stupid. Like, it's going to be absolutely. So we'll figure out what that boost is. I think it's either a big boost leak or the turbo shit is it. But yes, it's making moves, and I'm really excited to be able to keep this thing. Because now that stock piston's making 9.7, 297 passes an hour without all the boost in it. You know? But then again, it could be the reason that the pistons are still together because I'm only running 1.2 bar at the back. Maybe it's a good thing I've only got that amount of boost in the back. But yeah, car back on the trailer now. Mrs. is hungry, so we're going to need to go to Chippy on the way home and get some good food because I will get my ass kicked. But yeah, as always guys, thanks for coming along and watching this test and tune with the RX7 and keeping up with the progress, and as always, take care, stay safe, and we'll catch you in the next vid. Cheers.